A question came, how can we avoid the negative thoughts? Where does the negative thinking come from? Usually it comes from our own experiences, which is what is called auto-feedback. When you look at yourself in the mirror and you say, I am not beautiful. Oh, I wish I had a different nose like Michael Jackson. Oh, I don't like my hair. So this is called negative feedback. When you put the negative feedback in your mind, negative thinking will flourish. You don't want that. You want to look in the mirror and you say, wow, I love you. How can I love you even better? Okay, you have some wrinkles on your face. Well, use some vitamin C. Use some turmeric. Get rid of those wrinkles and you will love your face. Positive feedback. More positive feedback you give to yourself, more positive thoughts will come. Then, if you continue with the negative thoughts, that's going to create what is called toxicity in your causal body. Causal body is the body where you receive the thoughts from. Negative thoughts or positive thoughts, they all come from the causal body. But you sow the seed for them, so they bounce back. It's a feedback. Sometimes we are having toxic relationships. We have a negative relationship with somebody, but we continue on. We don't make any compromises, we don't make any conditions, but we take it for what it is, for the fear of abandonment, or for the fear of loneliness, or whatever. And we continue with the toxic relation. That pollutes your subtle body, which is called the Sukshma Sharira in Sanskrit. So in order to have a positive subtle body, you've got to communicate with your partner, with your friend, with your brother, sister, mother, wife, whoever. Everything should be clear. Feelings should be pure. Unconditionally loving attitude will enrich your subtle body. You will get positive feedback from it. Otherwise, what will happen, coupled with the foods that we don't eat, which are organic, which are proper, eating too late at night, heavy foods that are not easily digested, that disturbs a very vital prana called apana prana. I have done countless purifications in which people have improved dramatically because all their three bodies, physical body, subtle body, and causal body, they were purified. And then once they get that feeling of purity, they want to maintain it, and they come back, and they come back. After 20, 30 purifications, their three bodies, they become closer to one another, to each other. And you really experience a new self-image, eventually leading to a higher self, with higher goals, with higher thoughts. It's wonderful.